4 designs, Shanghai Zhongxing, SOM, Tongji, and Foster, did a second competition in 2007. SOM and the design for this. And when we designed the building, we didn't have a podium. And there was no podium for the design. This was added later.
I see. 他们在设计的时候，当时最早的方案的时候，它并没有这个下面这个群房啊，所以大家都没有提。
12. Actually, this was the early design. We took out one set of floors. So it changed after this. So this is office to here, and then hotel at the top. When we submitted the design, we didn't have the podium. We just had this. Actually, there was a different podium on this one. There's 3 in the lobby, and then there's 24 above it. And they get a little bit smaller. This is the biggest point. Is 12 meters outside. And then it gets smaller and tighter as it goes on. And there's a 1-hour fire separation from here to in there. This whole wall here is a 1-hour separated wall. That wall up there will take an hour for a fire to migrate through, which is a very difficult thing to do. And then a little over 2,000 square meters. So the rooms in this building, one room is bigger than most buildings in Shanghai. 2,000 square meters is an office building footprint because that's one fire zone. So this is one of the biggest rooms in Shanghai for meetings. So this will have electronics in it. And then there'll be a heater here, a fin tube heater. So air will come in here so I can heat this in the winter. And there's also a condensation. Yeah, there'll be baseboard heat in there. And the air heat, you can see those windows there? Yeah. That's where the air, spill air from the office space comes in. And at the top it comes in, at the bottom it comes in.
So floor level is
Probably up to here.
Yeah.
This is, I think,
you have to
500.
sit here, we have to sit
Yeah.
outside.
So the floor, I think, is 300 millimeters up. The isolation, there's a concrete floor, then there's a pad of neoprene and concrete,
That's
and then
300.
isolations.
Right.
So this thing just makes hot and cold water.
Let me see, that's the
Okay, let's go down one more floor.
刚才你说的不是有？他说逃生层嘛，不是有2个那个逃生井，这2个是。
It's metal that's too big. It forms a tiny fracture in the glass. As the sun heats it up and goes away, it cools down. So it heats and cools, heats and cools. What will happen is it'll create a fissure and break for no reason.
There's one cracked panel right here.
Oh, there's a lot of cracked panels. But generally, a contract says about 5% of the glass will break and have to be replaced. So when you design a building, you have to plan to replace the glass. Because the nickel sulfide inclusion happens within about a year after they manufacture the glass. But a bird could fly into it. A typhoon could have a rock fly into it and break the glass. You know, someone could fall from a desk or throw a chair and break a glass. It has to be replaced. Every piece of the building has to be brought up in the elevators or on the BME system to be replaced. This glass looks like it was broken either from the inside, or we can go take a look at construction and see what happens. It just gets destroyed. So they just leave it like this until the building's finished.